Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about what to do when you are super duper horny. This video is especially for my single girls out there or for my long distance girlies, okay? For the girls who don't have or can't access someone that they want, someone who doesn't want temporary people on their body, okay, but they are in heat. You could be ovulating or whatever. So this is for you. The first thing that I would recommend is taking a shower, taking a nice long cold shower, right? Or a nice bubble bath. A nice bubble bath I think would relax you and just make you feel, bring down those little jitterbug hormones. If that doesn't work, I recommend masturbating. So you would invest in some toys. The rose is really popular. It gets the job done in 60 seconds or less. There are other vibrators out there, of course. Dildos are there. There are oils you can use if you prefer to use your fingers. If you have a detachable shower head, that works as well. Whatever it is that you're comfortable using, go ahead and do that and just knock that out. If you have like a roster or a catalog, right? Let's say it's someone that you've been talking to for a while, or it's someone who you've had relations before and it was pretty good and you want that physical contact, because a lot of girls out there are very much touch deprived. I saw this video of this girl who was literally crying, like literal tears, because all she wanted was like a hug. Like she hasn't been hugged or touched in any kind of way in the longest. So that would be the time to go through your little black book, see who's single and just go from there. Have a rendezvous or whatever for that night. You can make a whole thing of it. Get a hotel. They have those rooms that have like the heart-shaped tubs and stuff in there. Like make a whole thing of it and just get yourself what you need to get yourself for that. Another thing you can do is read something. I know, but get your mind, if possible, away from the feelings that you're feeling. Find a good book, a good TV show. Yeah, Love Island is pretty good. I'm like very much into it right now. It's crazy. There's a new episode every single day. You could do that just to take your mind, just like to escape from the feelings that you're feeling. Like, I feel like that would be the safest route. There's no accidentals that could happen with escaping, either in a good book or a good show. Another thing you can do is jump on a dating site. I know, this sounds insane, but hear me out. Jump on a dating site. This actually might make you even hornier. This might actually make you even hornier. Oh my gosh. Jump on a dating site, flirt with a boy or a girl, and that would hopefully get you out of your horny states. Yeah, because now you have something else to look forward to. The potential of going into a talking phase, potentially dating your next boyfriend or girlfriend or husband or wife. You never know. Yeah, no, I think that's a good idea. Jump on a dating site and just start matching with people and flirting and just having fun with it. Because I feel like when it comes to dating sites, people now take it like way too serious. I feel like the intention of it was so that you could be fun and flirty and have fun, literally. Just have fun, meet new people, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna stick with that tip. Dating site. Yeah, so we have shower or bubble bath, we have masturbate, we have link up with somebody, whether it be a sneaky link or an ex. We have escapism, get lost in either a book or a TV show. And we have dating site. I give you 5. Those are 5 things you can do today if you are super duper horny, if you're ovulating or just haven't had any in a minute. I think those are 5 good things that you could do. Outside of that, you could go out with your girls, have a cute little girls' night, but then that might lead into something else. Because some people, when they drink or smoke, they get super horny. So that I don't recommend. I don't recommend going out and being there into the wild, because that will get you caught up. You feel me? Yeah. So yeah, no, I don't recommend going out. Stay home. Stay inside your house. All right. If you have any tips, leave them in the comment section below. If you found any of these tips helpful, let me know in the comments below. If you plan on trying any of these, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, peace and kissy face.